Hello, students, friends, distinguished scholars. We are students from the Provincial Teacher Training College in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Hello, we are from ABC University. Nice to meet you. We are so pleased to share our ideas with you today. We would like to focus on classroom design, classroom environment, concrete example. Please look at this picture. This picture shows a classroom in Cambodia. This is, this is a typical situation in Cambodia. There are long tables with 3 students each. They are a bit tight to sit on. They are cramped. They need more space. In this setting, it's difficult to move and difficult to talk in a group. Let me introduce one case in Japan. In this picture, you can see the case in Japanese now. One student has one desk set like this. It makes it easier to talk with friends. Sometimes they enjoy group discussions in a cluster of tables forming an island. 4 chairs surround the big island. Thus, tables and chairs are tools to enhance classroom interaction and discussion. You'll see here that tables and chairs are not only for sitting and writing. New classroom settings also enhance the interactions of students. Through this interaction, we can observe the students become more expressive of their opinions. At the same time, students also deepen their knowledge through group activities. It depends classroom activity. What's the role of a teacher? The teacher coordinates the group work. He or she will judge the speaking ability and social skills of the children in the class, and then form groups of 4 children each. The following are the rules that will enhance the discussion in each group. The group moderator should get everyone's opinion. The moderator should ask polite questions to pull out opinions from everyone, including the shy members. The moderator should not talk a lot to give more time for others to speak. Everyone in the group should value everyone's opinion. Look at the speaker and do nothing else. Everyone should respond positively. Do not deny the other person's opinion. The teacher will also provide materials to guide the discussion. In this picture, the teacher provides materials for discussing why there are differences in temperature and rainfall in different regions. The teacher coordinates the whole class group activity in the following ways. First, informing them of the purpose of the class. Second, explaining the data on which the discussion is based. Third, determining the rules for the discussion. Fourth, explaining the process of thinking alone in one desk, and then discussing as a group, cluster of tables forming an island, and finally, deciding on a representative opinion for the group. Fifth, comparing the results from each group, identifying the common ideas, and articulating the conclusion. Sixth, letting students know that the teacher will provide instructions for the 3 steps: thinking alone, discussion, and then sharing in class. Please refer to this data. It is called the learning pyramid. Our group discussed this data carefully. We finally reached a conclusion to use this concept. This concept is effective in enhancing teamwork among students. Teaching others is the best way to learn. We have decided to adapt it into our activity. Giving an opportunity to a student to talk about what they learned to their friends is called teaching others. Learning Pyramid illustrates the passive learning, chalk and talk style lectures, which leads learners to use just a small amount of their memory. Students would forget almost as soon as they've heard the chalk and talk style lecture. The human brain is trained to operate in the learning pyramid way. Depending on learning style, retention rate differs. Reading is 10%, audiovisual 20%, such as enjoying a presentation, discussion with friends 50%, practice doing 75%, such as practicum or in other words, internship. Teach others is the highest among all learning styles. It is 90%. Therefore, to conclude, the classroom's chair and table setup strongly affects the student's learning style. It especially affects students' recognition, meaning understanding and memorization. We would like to share the learning pyramid. Sharing ideas to improve education is one of the solutions toward Sustainable Development Goals 4 or the SDGs 4 or the quality of education. We can't wait until the PC or projector are ready before we share ideas. Expect that there will be challenges always, so be ready at all times. After considering your student's situation, you can develop your own way to use the learner-centered theory. Sharing ideas and getting ideas from all over the world are some of the solutions. That's our key message. Thank you very much.